Hey, what's up you guys? It's Emily and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's been well, hanging in there, and staying safe and healthy. I'm so excited for today's video because obviously everybody's staying indoors and there is this one space in my apartment that I am constantly in, basically 80% of the time. And that is my office nook. So I ordered a bunch of stuff from World Market and I have a bunch of boxes behind me. And I'm basically gonna do a full office nook makeover and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the office nook looks like right now. I'm gonna open up all the boxes so you can see what I got and then we're gonna put it all together. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm really excited for this space. It's really important to make your working area and living area, since it's basically all one lately. I thought it was a good idea to make that working space really fun and inviting so that I know I'm getting work done when I'm in my office nook. But at the same time, it's a nice little area to sit back and enjoy all the plants and just enjoy the living area, since obviously we're still going through this pandemic. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. Okay, so we have the kitchen over here, and then over here is the little office nook. So this is what it looks like right now. And as you can see, it's pretty basic. So yeah, this is the office space. It's not that big, but I think it's gonna look super cute. My idea for it is Office Oasis, I guess you can say. It's a cute name. I'm thinking make it, obviously my style is very boho and neutral. So yeah, I'm excited. And let's go ahead and open up all of those boxes. All right, I have the boxes here from World Market. And we have this super cute seagrass basket. I'm thinking about putting either a plant in here or just making it storage. Oh yeah, that's so exciting. Oh, this is nice, it's not that heavy, wow. Okay, so when I saw this one online, it looked like it would be super heavy, but it's honestly perfect. That's what it looks like. Obviously you put the plant that's in the nursery pot in here because there's no drainage hole. It's just a nice decorative pot. So here's the stand. I don't typically go for this type of color like brass or gold or anything. It's just really, really cute. What I like about these plant stands is that you can put the pot on here and make it a little bit lower, or you can flip it around and make it stand up a little taller. I also got a curtain rod. Here's one of the first like raw decor pieces, and I'm so excited about it. I love this piece. It's so much bigger than I thought it would be, but my ceilings are so tall. I thought this would be a perfect statement piece for the office. All right, we have the curtain. So it came with two, and this is the color, and they're just like this style. We have here. Do you guys ever order things and then you completely forget what you ordered? Because that happens to me a lot of times. So cute. Okay, so I got this little incense holder to have on my desk. I got this really cute journal. This is so nice. Okay, another decor piece is this Hansa hand. It's just like a little, so you just hang it from the wall. I thought it was really nice detail. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's really cute. This piece I'm so excited about. So cute. It's gonna make such a nice statement piece on one of the walls. Oh my gosh, again, I thought this was so tiny. I thought it was gonna be so small. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. So yeah, I'm really liking everything I got. Okay, now the last thing, and I'm so excited to show you. Okay, now it's time to try to actually take it out. I got this awesome chair. I'm so excited for it. I love the color. I have to put the legs on. Obviously, it's not just this. But yeah, look at it. Look at the color. I'm so excited. I seriously have been wanting a piece of furniture this color, and I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. Okay, let me get the chair. Let me get the spinny legs out. The fun part's gonna be taking out all these boxes to the recycling for sure. Look at the cool wheels. All right. Love my new chair. And now we can get started with the full makeover. Whew, I am sweating after taking out all that stuff from the boxes. But anyways, now I'm gonna take out everything from the office nook, and we're just gonna start from scratch. Started with hanging up the curtain rod and curtains. All right, so that's what they look like. I decided to go with just the simple black curtain rod to match the light fixture. All right, so now that those are up, I'm just gonna start filling up the space with everything else. It's already looking so good, literally with just 3 new items. Okay, so next thing that we have to figure out is where we'll be using this guy and this guy. So I'm basically just gonna put a push pin where either of them would go, and I'm just gonna swap them out to see which way looks better. Looks so good, guys. I seriously love it so much. This butterfly scroll looks so much better than I thought it would, and I'm just so excited. And we're not even done yet. Let's see what else we have to add. All right, so I went ahead and brought over my laptop. I'm gonna start situating the whole desk. A little book right here, a little journal. Gonna have an incense holder, and this guy is a lot bigger than I thought he was gonna be. So I think I'm just gonna place him like on the window. This Hamza hand I'm gonna hang up, I believe, over here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I just went ahead and added the Hamza hand right here above the light switch. This guy for now, I'm just gonna put him right here because I think that the lighting is going to make it look really nice and stand out. Then later I'll put a candle in that. Okay, awesome. So that's everything from World Market. And now I'm just gonna do the last final touch, something that a space is not complete without, and that is adding more plants. So I'm just gonna start swapping in some plants and see what works in this space. And yeah, let's go ahead and do that. guys, the office space is all done and I'm so excited to show you because it came out so good. Alright you guys, so I love this space so much. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick mini little tour and show you everything in the room. And yeah, I just love it so much. It came out so good. Alright, let me go ahead and show you guys. Alright, so what I love is that when you enter, don't mind all the boxes, once you enter the apartment, you're gonna automatically see the nook and it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. This literally reminds me of Pinterest and I love it. And then you enter, got the inset going, it looks so good. And then I have the little humps I had right here. Thought it was really cute for this blank wall. All right, then we have my desk from IKEA. My laptop. This is the new book that we got, the new journal we got from World Market. My chair that I love so much. It's so nice. It literally makes the room. If I didn't have this chair, it would not look like this, I swear. Nice olive green. It's just pretty bright right now, but all right. So then we have this incense holder that we also got from World Market. Got an incense going for all the good vibes. And we have a little arch right there with a plant. That is a peperomia, by the way, peperomia. And then right here I have my rubber plant. And then just a little coaster. And then down here we have a money tree. And then we have the awesome butterfly art piece. Looks so good. I'm so glad it's on this side of the wall because you automatically see it. It's just so nice. Okay, and then we have my big Monstera deliciosa on the new plant stand. And it looks so good, I love it. And then we have a little watering can right here. And then we also have this guy. So I'm gonna get a tall white candle, just like the plain white candles, and put that in there. So that's what needs to be added. Then we have our nice new curtains and the curtain rod to match a bit with the light fixture. So it looks nice. And then over here, I decided to add my string of hearts. And she's a little tangled, but that's okay. So yeah, that's my string of hearts. And I just went ahead and used a hook on the little corner right there. And then right here, we have the other piece by World Market. Looks so good. Here we have my seagrass basket. It's empty at the moment, but this is where I'll probably be storing my tripod and other things related to just like filming or something. And then we have my Monstera Adesani. And then we have, I forgot the name of this guy. This one's new. Might as well show you guys what's in here. So in here, I just keep like my screen glasses for when I'm on my laptop at night, AirPods, a small tripod, things like that, chargers. And in here I have just my planner and then just like random stuff that I like need to do soon, like maybe like bills or something. Here I just have like change and then like random office stuff. The rest of my office stuff is in that room, which is basically my inventory room for my online shop. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys love it. I love it so much. All right, you guys, that is it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed the space. And remember, if you're interested in any of the pieces that I used, then everything is down below. And you guys can always shop my home on my website and all that stuff. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. This has to be my favorite video I've probably ever made. So don't forget to like and subscribe, share it, follow me on Instagram @ClassyCasita, and I will see you guys next time.